If you're sensing there's a massive movement towards positive change on the planet, you would be right. People are done with the systems in place that are not making us happy. We're struggling every day to earn money and to enjoy our lives, and what we're doing isn't working. There is a solution. I'm Landria, Onkka. I've helped thousands of people to find solutions to get out of lives they don't love and go after the ones that they deserve and dream of. You see, I was a former investment banker for 25 years, and I felt the same way you did. I was working more, earning less, and I realized that was not going to end. I was sacrificing valuable time, and frankly, it was not good for my health either. I'm sure you can relate. As an investment banker, I knew that traditional business platforms don't really work very well anymore, but the ones that use technology were excelling. I also knew that training was now available for individuals like you and I to create our own online businesses. Training for individuals that had no background in business, no products or services, no tech experience whatsoever. I certainly didn't have any, and I knew it was going to be huge, and it is happening right now, and you can be a part of that. You can join the movement to create your own online business like I did. I quit. I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book. It was turned into a television movie, and I had training and knowledge on how to create any kind of online business. I didn't have my own products and services, and I realized I didn't need them. There are many ways to earn online, and this training system for me is the Harvard of systems out there. It has all the support, step-by-step modules, the trainers, the tech teams, the mentors, and an amazing community of people like myself who are going to cheer you on. Why would you go into a job every day and continue to work hard when you could work from home? And why do we put our future in the hands of other people and corporations in jobs that we don't even love anymore when we can create our own doing what we do love? You'll learn all of this. And I am going to offer you a free workshop series so that you can find out more information about how this works. What time and money investment is required, and what kind of income can you create? What are the multiple income streams, and what is the training like? If you click somewhere here on the screen, you'll get a free workshop series, videos to meet my mentors who were in your shoes once too. They created a system for people like us who truly need that guidance and step-by-step to learn how to do all of this online and beyond. You see, even if you're a coach or you have products or services or your own business, you need to learn how online businesses function so you can increase your profit margins. Or what if you have no idea what you want to promote or what you want to do online? Well, you would be in the majority. Most people don't have any idea what they would put online as a business. You'll learn how to create that. After quitting my investment banking position, a company that I owned, I now have multiple online businesses, doing what I love. I change people's lives. I'm a life coach and a YouTube influencer. All of these things were possible because of this training. I would have never been able to do this on my own. Training is available for you to get you on track with the 21st century. Technology can be used in our favor, and you need to get on board with this. The internet's not going away. Let's use it to empower you to create something amazing where you can work from home, whether it's on the side or do it full time, and you don't have to quit your job to learn this training. Won't you check it out? Somewhere here on the screen, click, and you'll get that free workshop series to learn all about it and meet my mentors, and I'll be there to greet you. I also work with the students because I care about your success. It's a new world, and we have new challenges, but we also have new opportunities. Let's start using them. Click somewhere here on the screen, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks for listening. Take care.